How many of you have ever gone on Instagram and seen the message, quote unquote, this story is no longer available? Well, Instagram permanently deletes some photos. Instagram users received a distressing notification recently informing them that some photos in their stories archives were permanently deleted due to a, quote unquote, technical issue. The message read, this story is no longer available, and Meta's Instagram parent company confirmed that the bug could not be fixed, so the lost content cannot be restored. Meta has addressed the issue, but noted that the error message will remain visible until July 2025. This incident highlights the importance of backing up media outside of app-based storage. And I gotta tell you, whenever something is not right in Facebook and you report it, well, good luck, because usually they're not gonna fix it. They just tell you to just leave it there, and there's no way to get rid of it or fix it.